it's Melanie and welcome back to Living Luxuriously for Less, where we celebrate, decorate, and enjoy everyday life for less. I am so excited about today's video because it is going to be a fall gift exchange with my sister here on YouTube at Home with Nikki. So you guys go ahead and check out her video as soon as you check out mine. She and I decided to do a fall gift box, and the theme was things for the office. And so we set a budget and we decided to send one another things for the office, and I'm so excited to dive into this box today. Now, with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and get this box cracked open. I'm actually opening it live with you because I wanted to share my real true thoughts about the contents inside. And so you guys are going to be getting my real reaction. Let me cover that up because that's my address, and I cannot wait to see what's in here, because y'all know Nikki is so thoughtful. She has been joking with me, saying that just different things, and I've been joking with her about the contents of her box as well. So it's going to be interesting to see what's inside of both boxes and to see each other's true reaction. So, of course, Nikki's I'm so excited about this because both of us are kind of like in a transition. She and her husband just bought a new house and they are in renovation mode. My husband and I sold our house and we are in a temporary living space. And so we're both just really excited about, you know, doing something, you know, in our spaces for the fall. Did I wake you up, honey? Okay. All right, so y'all, in classic Nikki fashion, look at this. So of course it has the fall leaves, has a little note that says happy fall, home office, fall essentials. And so yeah, I love that. So it has little leaves on the inside, cute little paper. She always goes, so look at that. That is so cute. So, and it also smells like fall as well. Like, it smells so good. And we're gonna open up the first item. Ooh, y'all, look at this. Oh, of course Nikki would number the gifts, okay? Look. How cute is that? Oh my gosh. I absolutely love it. I think she shared this fall wrapping paper on her Amazon Live. So you guys be sure to check that out. This is number 6. Now, listen, Nikki, I think you went over the budget, girl. Ooh, how cute is that? Hello, fall. Little cups, little fall pumpkins. Okay. This is number 4. So we're gonna put them in order. This is number 5. And that's 6. So we got number 2. Yippee! And we're getting to number 1. This is what has the box smelling so good. This is the fall vanilla pumpkin soap. That would be so great in our guest bathroom. Oh, and she included the Werther's Original Caramel, soft caramel apple candies. This is so funny because you guys wait until you see her box. That's all I'm gonna say. And this one on the bottom is number 1. So let's get started. I guess we should read the card first, right? These are so cute. It makes me not want to, like, I want to use these for something. That would be cute on a tablescape. All right, so number 1. What is fall without a little warmth? Okay, So I'm gonna guess that it's a blanket or a throw or something like that. Let's see, let's see, let's see. Yay. Nikki, I will say you got me because I was ready to show out. I can't talk about you now. Ooh. I love it. Y'all know that my new color scheme in our home is black, and so this is so beautiful and so luxurious. I cannot wait to style it, so you guys stay tuned for that. So that is number 1. Moving on to number 2. Let's see if I can find number 2. This is number 2. Let's read the card. So cute. We are 20. I know you don't like coffee, but here's a gift to help you enjoy any fall beverage. I have one also. Okay, so I'm not a coffee lover. Nikki is a coffee lover. So let's see what this is. She got me something like her. Ooh, this is so cute. Look at this. It's a pumpkin coffee mug. I can deal with this. This is great for the office. It is clear, and you guys know in my office I use like a lot of acrylic, glass, white, and gold. So that is perfect. Love it. Okay, she's 2 out of 2. Here's the third one. Number 3 says, I know Robert always come up with the good ideas, but here's a gift to help keep yours. I think that's right. It's a gift to help keep yours. Okay. Yeah. Now, that's the inside joke. Like, my husband says he always comes up with the good ideas. And so, let's see. For the office, ideas to help keep mine. Hold on. Oh, this is so cute. And it matches my desk. So it's some little notebooks, and this one says good idea. It is so cute because this is my color scheme, and then there's also some hand cream, which is perfect for the fall for the office as well. All right, love it. Okay, now I feel bad. I feel like my gifts aren't this great, and I should have known better than to go live opening gifts with my big sister, because she's so awesome with gift giving and wrapping, and she's so thoughtful. Like, everything is so organized, right? Like, I have to open gifts in order. Gift number 4. I found these on Amazon for an amazing deal. I channel my inner living luxuriously for less deal finder series. Now every boss lady needs a fabulous and comfy pair of office house shoes. Awesome. Love it. Now let's see if she remembers my size. You guys let me know while I'm opening this up. Comment down below on what size shoes you think I wear. Oh goodness, these are nice. So she said she found them for a good deal. These are, of course, in a black and white box to match my black and white theme. And they are by Ralph Lauren. Okay. Ooh, how cute is that? I would catch myself like running errands in these. And she got the size correct. So I wear a 6.5. And you know what? You are so sneaky, Nikki, because you, ma'am, asked me my shoe size and I didn't even think about it. So for those of you guys who guessed a smaller size, I have my ring size and my shoe size is the exact same. My ring is a 6.5, my ring finger is a 6.5, and my shoe size is a 6.5. And I always told my husband that, so he always picks the best shoes and jewelry. Okay, this is gift number 5. Here's a cozy find to keep you warm this fall while you're working at your desk. Here's a cozy friend to keep you warm this fall while you're working, and this is heavy, while you're working at your desk. Here's a cozy friend to keep you warm this fall. A candle? To keep you warm this fall while you're working at your desk. Here's a cozy friend. Oh, how beautiful. Look at that. Crisp. Oh, when I tell you this thing smells like cologne, it smells so... I'm going to have to fight my husband for this one. It smells so good. Oh my goodness. That is going to smell amazing. And I'm going to show you guys like a home tour or an office tour of me putting all these things in place in the office. And she's supposed to be doing the same. So we're going to include all of that in this video. Oh, listen. I started opening the gift before I even read the card. Forgive me. Hold on. Let me see. I'm going to save these. Don't you think these would be cute in a tablescape or something like that? I'm going to make like name cards or something with these. I think that would be so cute. Okay. I even actually hated to open this paper. So beautiful. I should have taken a look. I should have taken a picture. Like, these are all my afterthoughts. Y'all are just privy to all the things that go through my head in real time. And I really should have taken a picture of how beautiful all the boxes were wrapped together. Okay. And so this one says a mobile office is a must. Here is an organizing tool to help put together yours. A mobile office is a must. A bag. It's some type of bag or something. Hold on. Some type of... Okay, hold on. Oh, cute. Hold on. Let me see if it's what I think it is. I think this is something she also featured in a live that was super, super cute. Yep. It is a... Uh-oh. It is a bag organizer to go down inside of the bag. And you can put like your cell phone, your computer. I definitely need one of these because your girl is not organized. So I will have to say that this is definitely a 10 out of 10 because she encompassed everything that I love. I am loving the neutrals, the blacks, the shirt. I'll be honest with you guys, I was being very influencer-y when I went to go change because I wanted my shirt to, not knowing that she had purchased all these things in all these colors, but I definitely wanted to match the aesthetics of the room because you guys haven't seen a complete home tour yet, which is coming soon. So I hope you guys enjoyed this fall gift box exchange with At Home with Nikki. Don't hesitate. Run over to her channel now to see the things that I purchased her and to see if I nail her like she nailed me. Thank you all so much again for tuning in. I will leave a link to Nikki's channel down in the description box below. I will also pin it in the first comment. I'll see you guys at the next video. Until next time, it's Melanie with Living Luxuriously for Less. Cheers!